Success begins with building your book wealth network. The Book Wealth system is going to help you to create your own network of 3,905 members that pay you between 10 Rand and 50 Rand every single month on autopilot, just like real estate. Remember, you just have to give away your free ebook and you will make money when people join your wealth network as a VIP member. Here is how it works. As a VIP member, you earn a monthly income from 5 levels. Your network starts at level 1 and goes up to level 5. You get paid 50 Rand per direct referral in level 1. And then you get paid an additional 10 Rand for all downlines in levels 2 through 5. Here's an example of how you can make 39,250 Rand per month by just referring 5 VIP members to your wealth network and them also referring 5 each. So this means in your level 1 you'll have 5 VIPs at 50 Rand each, making you 250 Rand. In level 2 you'll have 25 VIPs at 10 Rand each, making you an additional 250 Rand. In level 3, 125 VIPs making you 1,250 Rand. In level 4, 625 VIPs making you 6,250 Rand. And in level 5, 3,125 VIPs making you 31,250 Rand. That's a total of 39,250 Rand a month. Each VIP license in your network expires after 30 days, so you will also make money on autopilot every month for all renewals. You only pay 150 Rand to become a VIP, so you can easily get your money back by referring just 3 people. If you don't have money, you can continue as a free member, but with no products, access, and no monthly wealth network income. Always remember, your network is your net worth.